Hi, my name is Tamara Anderson. I was born and raised in Sandy, Utah. I currently live in Olympia, Washington, and I've been married to my husband for 27 years. We've raised 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys. My oldest is 25, my youngest is 16 and a half. Something unique about myself is that I like to go frog hunting in early spring. It's a lot of fun and crazy, but it's great. And I also sing in a local choir. It's Capital City Choir here in Olympia. We're going on our 2nd season. I work for a preschool for a local school district. And what I want to get out of this class is the opportunity to learn how different cycles, just how families miscommunicate with each other, and just finding ways how to make meaningful connections and finding solutions for those, and how to apply those to my own family as well as other families, and maybe helping them be able to communicate better one with another. Anyway, that's a little bit about me and my family, and I look forward to getting to know everybody in class this semester and working and getting a lot done with you guys. So anyway, onward and upward.